underway here. The much anticipated matchup. And wow, just weapon to weapon right off the bat. Now, we said these drivers are aggressive, and we mean it. Really just driving towards each other, trying to get, it seems like their wedges have just been butting up against each other, but looks like their weapons are starting to win out now. And Watermelon Slice kind of just backing Apex into a corner here. But
oh,
Apex
wow, big hit for Apex.
Watermelon Slice across the arena. And yeah, if you mess with the bullet, you're going to get the
big
horns.
Weapon to weapon
horns there.
And Apex has lost their weapon.
Off of Apex's weapon. They had mentioned earlier that they were having some...
oh, the weapon is still spinning.
How?
That is from something else.
It's just momentum carrying it now, and it looks like it's traded that momentum off. Still driving aggressively. These drivers do not back down. But
honestly, just hitting it with that mass, if that mass hits Watermelon Slicer's weapon,
yeah,
it might do sufficient damage.
They'll be looking to play for control and aggression now, and I would have to say they're not lacking aggression here. I mean, they're just, pushing forward, trying to push them into a wall. Watermelon Slice spinning that weapon, but hasn't been able to find much.